Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adnan. I am studying in third A2. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syed Abdullah. I am studying in third A2. This is a globe. This is a map. Globe is round in shape. Map is drawn on the flat surface. It can be rotated like the earth. It cannot be rotated. Little difficult to carry. Easy to carry anywhere. Gives less information. Give more information. Thank you. Thank you.